Well, it's Wednesday the 2nd of August. You probably hear the train. Just so that's the main line. It goes through Nuneaton and then on through to Tamworth, which is just over here. Welcome to part 7 of the story of the River Anker.
Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine.
I'm here at Alvecote, and the River Anker's passed through Polesworth, through to Alvecote here and on to Tamworth. If you're wondering where I've been over the last 6 weeks or so, been busy. So here's the last instalment of the story of the River Anker. And at this point, the anker's getting quite big, but it only goes as far as Tamworth when it joins the River Tame. And then it's no longer the anker. So this is the last part of the story. But there's wildlife reserves here and big ponds and lakes where the river is allowed to stretch out, and it's really rather nice. I'm a little bit unfamiliar with this place, to be honest, so I'm going to be learning as much as you are. The pub is the Pretty Pigs at Alvecote, and they do a very nice looking breakfast, as you can see. Anyway, through the dining area, out the back and into the garden. Well, that was nice. This is the back of the pub, and the ladies very kindly allowed me to come into the garden. I can't seem to get close to the water otherwise, but yeah, here it is. And there's lots of these lakes along here. It's wonderful. It's hard to believe that all this water just comes from the River Anker, but if you look right in the distance, top right of the picture here, you can see some blocks of flats, which is right next to Tamworth Castle, where the River Anker ends and it joins the River Tame. Oh, look out, here comes the 1019 approaching Tamworth station. It's looking quite difficult to get access to all these waters, these lakes and ponds, and they are considerable. I know there's a country park over here, so maybe that's a better place as well. But I'm outside the Pretty Pigs pub. I say it's a pub, it's a pizza and carvery. And yeah, the lady in there kindly said, yeah, go down the bottom of the garden near the water, which I've done. Very good. Right, next stop will be Tamworth, where the River Anker ends its days as a river and becomes and joins in with the River Tame. I am nearing the end of my quest because I'm in the gardens in the middle of Tamworth, and I have to say they're really rather nice. Look at this. Isn't that nice? These lilies, look. Look at them. Very nice. Now, up here is the castle, for Tamworth has a castle, and at this point somewhere the River Anker meets the River Tame. Well, according to my reckoning, this is it. This is the River Anker coming into Tamworth. There's lovely flowers at the back. We'll have a close look at those from higher up. The River Anker, look how big it is, the river. Mind you, it is merging here with the River Tame. Tamworth has its own flood defence system, and this ground on the left would flood over, as would this channel take the flood system all the way round and past the town centre. If you swing round to the right, you'll notice there's these blocks of flats, which always amuses me, that people have such a wonderful view of the rest of Tamworth and right next to the castle and the town centre. Well, that's been a long, arduous journey. I'm making it sound like I've crossed the Alps or something, but this is the end of the story of the River Anker, part 6, done and dusted. This is where it meets the River Tame at Tamworth and then goes on, and the Tame eventually meets with the River Trent and goes out to the North Sea at Hull. So here we have it. And I have to say something about Tamworth. It's very pretty in the middle here. Really enjoying being here. Must come back and enjoy the gardens and the view. Okay. Thanks a lot for watching all this, and you'll see me next time. Bye.